My name's Ben Albrechts. I'm the president of Leer. My favorite core value is work together. And as part of that, I have an open door policy where employees can come in and chat with me if they have any questions or concerns. And that's probably why I got ambushed today by HR to answer the questions that everyone else is answering.
Favorite thing about working with Leer is the flexibility. You have a lot of different options as far as things to do at work. You never have to get stuck doing one thing over and over again.
The employees and the environment we create.
We got the best boss in the world.
Our teamwork.
The amazing benefits and the camaraderie of the place.
Embracing ownership.
ESOP, and we are employee owned, so I am able to put money away for retirement without actually taking out of my funds for now.
I look forward to coming to work every day.
We got constant improvement going on all the time around here.
Benefits behind the scenes are very, very great, and the teamwork around here is wonderful.
At Leer, you get plenty of opportunity to learn and grow.
We all really respect one another and we get the job done.
If you're interested in being our next employee owner, apply today at leerinc.com/careers.